welcome back to our new video. Myself Anish Achari from PixArtworks Creation. Today we are going to see how to make a depth effect in any object. Without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see in this image which I already taken, I kept my logo in this table and shown as that this table is printed with my logo, right? You can see this effect. I'll just zoom it and you can see it, right? Wait a second. Here you can see this, the shadow, the depth, all the effects. This was made with 5D steps. Let's explore how. First I'll take the background image of mine, and now I'm going to take the logo. Here it is, and open. Let's drag this to this in this file and just we keep it in center. Okay, now let's convert into smart object. Right click, and as you know how to change to smart object. Step 1 will be change the mode. Let's change it from here. You can see this option, click here and then select multiple. Now the effect has been happened due to multiple. It turned into invisible due to our logo is white. Now nothing happened here. We will do double click on the layer. It will bring blending option. So our second step will be inner shadow. Okay, just click inner shadow. So I'll reset to show how I made this. First we will see here, just change the opacity value. Okay, now let's okay, now let's change the direction. Before that we have to check the shadow and the light, where it coming from. Okay, for example, this is light is coming from upside down, so the shadow will be downside. So in this effect our shadow will be some, and we have to change the angle to here. Okay, now we can see the light is passing from upside, so the shadow is making depthness inside the logo. Okay, so now we check okay guys, we have to just play so you will understand the basic role in this. So let's change the size to this. Let's change it. Okay. And now you can see our depthness is okay, so I'll keep it okay. And but it's still something missing, right? Like most of the details are not seen yet in this logo. So what I have to do, it's step 3. So let's double click on the layer again. Here's bevel and emboss. Click here and you can see this. Yeah? Okay, sorry. I won't show it again. Bevel and emboss. I'll reset the default. Now we can see there's nothing. So what I have to do, see this. Let's change the style to outer bevel. Okay, outer bevel. It will be smooth and downside, so the light will from up to down, right? So now just change the depth. Okay, now this is what happens when you increase it too much. Okay, this is fine for me. Mm, we're almost done, right? Yes. Okay, now our logo is ready. But still, something is still missing. Like it is still invisible, not visible yet. Now what we can do? Now let's go to step number 4. Now let's go to adjustment layer here and let's do level. Okay, in this part, right, in this highlight area and shadow area, we have to just decrease the highlights area. Now it is applying to whole image. Now what we need is just inside this logo. So you can see this option clipping. Just click here. Now it just apply to in this logo only. So basically what happened, you can see this just effect applying to only to this layer only, not the whole image. Just increase this, can see this effect in only this layer, not the whole image. I'll bring back to normal. So what I do, I'll just show that. So now, now this is looking good. So these are the 5 steps. The clipping mask was the fifth step. It will this with this 5 step you can make your depth logo. And if you want to only show your subject, which is this logo, and not the other, just highlight it. So what you have to do, this is just additional. Go to adjustment layer and gradient, and I'll keep the same. Just change the style to down and reverse this. Okay, now increase the scale from here. Okay, okay, fine. And now you can see, now this is just highlighting the logo part, not the other. Just, okay, this is fine for me. Now see the difference. I hope you like the video. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and support this channel. Thank you.